How to fix Messenger dark mode toggle failure. The first thing you want to do is open up the Messenger app on your device. Now, normally to set dark mode on your Messenger app, you want to tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then from here, tap Settings, then tap Dark Mode. Now go ahead and tap on the On option. Once you do that, the dark mode should be enabled. However, if you are receiving any kind of failure message over here, then what you can do is open up Settings. Once you're on your settings, you want to tap on the option of General. Now tap on iPhone storage. Then scroll down and search Messenger. Now tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again. Once the app has been offloaded, you want to reinstall it. Then open up Messenger and check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you want to open up your settings again. Here, tap on Display and Brightness. Then on Appearance tab, select Dark. And with this, the overall system settings will be turned into dark, including Messenger app. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.